This video training series is brought to you by Friday People, the National Lottery Community Fund and Proud Business Productions. Okay, so our video is done. It's always worth just watching it back once more just to make sure there aren't any errors, like the volume jumps up slightly or a shot starts or finishes late. We rescued, but I think we are good to go. So all you have to do is come up here to this button, click that, and it's going to bring up the export box. Just set it to auto, to be honest. That is going to export it in roughly the same quality as the footage you're working with. You can go to manual if you want and change the resolution, change the frame rate, all that sort of stuff. But to be honest, you don't really need to do that. Just sticking with auto would be fine. So now I'm going to mess around with it. Lastly, just click where you want to save it. So I am going to save it in this little folder here. And then click export and wait for it to finish exporting. Depending on the age of your phone or the speed of your computer, it will vary. But it shouldn't take too long. Okay, and that's done. Don't worry about this publish page. That's if you want to publish it to the online platform. Just click done, and then you'll be able to find your video in the folder that you saved it to, or if it's on your phone or tablet, you'll find it in the photo gallery. And that's editing done. Just one more video left where I want to wrap up and give you a bit of a roadmap on how to get started on making your videos.